episode of Jenny's Kitchen. Today I'm here with my younger brother, Kevin.
What's up, guys? I'm Kevin.
So I'm not the only cook in the family. I definitely think he loves being in the kitchen, much younger than I ever was or enjoyed being in the kitchen. So today I asked him to come join me, show me this easy recipe that I truly love, and I think you guys will too. All right, Kevin, so first, it's a tuna salad, but we are doing it pretty healthy and pretty simple for us. And so we have 2 cans of tuna here. It's super easy to make. You're not making that much, of a mess with dishes. So who taught you how to make this recipe?
Honestly, I like tomatoes. I know tuna is a good source of protein. It's healthy for you. Easy to meal prep that too. It lasts a couple days.
There you go.
That's why I use hummus. That's the secret ingredient.
This is great for college students like yourself. I take this to work all the time.
Definitely.
Inexpensive, cheap, and easy, which is what we love. So we like it to be a little bit spicy to give it a little bit more flavor.
Squeeze these limes in there. And what's pretty cool about this dish is that you can eat it with like crackers.
And a sandwich.
Oh yeah, I never thought of that.
All right, so how do you do this hummus? Spoonful? Or maybe 2? Yeah.
Those angles?
So we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Less than 5 minutes, we have lunch ready for us. Super yummy.
I'm telling you that hummus, game changer.
This is such an easy and simple recipe that we can all enjoy with our family. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you on our next one.
Un compositor que se equivocó.